When it comes to the age of maturity for a female, we have many different hadiths about that. Some hadiths say 9, some say 10, some say 11, some say 12, some say 13. Scholars have divided, amongst themselves when it comes to this fatwa. The vast majority of scholars, their fatwa is when she becomes 9 in the lunar calendar, she becomes mature. However, there are some scholars, including some maraja' today, who believe that a female becomes mature when she sees her cycle. When she goes through puberty and she menstruates, then she becomes, religiously mature and obligated. Now, why is it that we have this discrepancy in the hadiths? What's the reason for that? Scholars believe the Imams alayhimussalam would address the people who would ask them based on their circumstances. So if a person came from a family or from a tribe in which usually women would see their first periods at age 10, the Imam ﷺ would tell them at what age do they become religiously obligated? 10. If a person comes from a tribe in which the common age was 11, the Imam ﷺ would give them the number 11, 12, 9. So that's why we may have had those discrepancies. This is one view, one common view among scholars. But the vast majority of scholars, they stick with the age 9. Even most maraja' today, that is their fatwa.